You want to go open up a present? How old are you today? How old are you? Yep, you're 4. 4 years old, buddy. What do you think about that? That's cool, isn't it? You gonna open a present? Let's go do it. What is that? What is that, Jaden? Is that your present? What is it?
I don't know.
Go see. Go see, Jaden. Go see what it is. Is that your present? Wow. Do you like it?
It's a cool card, isn't it?
Well, looks like it has something to do with Iron Man. Do you like Iron Man?
Let me open it, buddy.
It's a cardboard.
Cool.
Maybe he's don't like that.
Happy birthday, Jaden. Love you, buddy.
Cool.
Are you to turn to that?
Wow.
Who's Iron Man?
I think you wear that on your arm, Jaden.
Yeah.
Iron Man is Iron Man. Are you supposed to turn to that?
Mm-hmm. You can put your costume on, and then you can wear that on your arm.
What?
Is that cool?
That would be weird.
It's probably going to need batteries.
Batteries? No.
Yep, right here.
Do you like Iron Man?
Oh, yeah. I
Happy-
do.
Happy birthday, buddy.
It's faster, like.
Happy birthday, Jaden.
Happy birthday.